everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make whipping cream frosting. It's very good for cakes, ice cream cakes, cookies, and cupcakes. If you'd like a cupcake recipe, the link is down below in the description box. So first you need a bowl that is cold, so you have to put it in the freezer for at least like 5 to 10 minutes. Then you need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You need at least 1/3 cup of powdered sugar or more if you want it more sweeter. And lastly, 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Make sure it's 35%.
First thing you're going to want to do is pour your 2 cups of whipping cream into a large bowl. Now add in your powdered sugar.
And next you add your vanilla extract.
So now we're going to be mixing this in our stand mixer. You want to mix this on low speed in the beginning and then gradually increase. So we're going to start at 2. So we whipped it for about like 5 to 6 minutes, and you can see now that it's like almost into this very frosting like texture. You can whip it even more, but you have to make sure not to over whip it because it can be very crumbly. And this is perfect to use for ice cream cake, any kind of cake you like. So we're going to be showing you how we are going to just add some whipping cream to this little cookie over here. So we have some piping tips.
So now the piping tip is in the piping bag or a Ziploc bag, and we're going to use this on the cookie. Wow, that looks very delicious. This is your whipping cream recipe. You may enjoy this with the cupcake recipe down below in the description box. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. Bye!